A mocha pot is one of the easiest ways to brew rich espresso-like coffee at home. No pricey machine required. With the right model, you'll get bold flavor, strong aroma, and a satisfying cup in just minutes on the stovetop. In this video to the best mocha pots, we'll break down key details like size, materials, heat source compatibility, and ease of cleaning. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the Mongdio Stovetop Moka Pot. If you want strong espresso-style coffee at home without the cost or complexity of an electric machine, the Mongdio Stovetop Moka Pot gives you a simple, barista-inspired brew on your stovetop. It's available in 3-cup, 6-cup, 9-cup, and 12-cup sizes, so you can choose the one that fits your routine, whether you're making a quick solo cup or brewing for family and guests. The pot is made from durable, food-grade cast aluminum and uses a classic Italian-style design to heat quickly and distribute heat more evenly. That steady heat helps extract a richer, fuller flavor, giving you a concentrated coffee that works well on its own or as a base for lattes, cappuccinos, or an Americano. A built-in safety valve helps regulate pressure inside the pot during brewing, supporting more consistent extraction and safer operation. Practical details make day-to-day use easier. The heat-resistant handle and lid knob help you pour more comfortably, and the built-in spout gives you better control when serving. Brewing is straightforward. Add water to the bottom chamber. Fill the filter basket with ground coffee. Assemble the pot and heat it until the coffee finishes collecting in the top chamber. Cleanup is refreshingly low effort. Rinse with warm water, let the parts dry completely, and reassemble when you're ready for the next brew. It's a simple way to bring bold, satisfying coffee into your everyday routine. At number 4, Primula Classic Stovetop Moka Pot. If you want cafe-style coffee at home without a complicated machine, the Primula Classic Stovetop Moka Pot helps you brew rich, smooth espresso-style coffee in just a few minutes. It's a simple way to make your daily favorites, whether you prefer straight mocha coffee, an Americano, Cuban-style coffee, or milk-based drinks like lattes and cappuccinos, using the stovetop you already have. Built from durable cast aluminum, this mocha pot is designed for long-lasting use and more even heat distribution. That steadier heating helps bring out better flavor, aroma, and consistency from your grounds, especially when you brew regularly. For safer handling, it includes a flip-top lid along with a heat-resistant knob and handle, so you can pour with more control once brewing is finished. Using it is straightforward, even if you're new to stovetop brewing. You fill the lower chamber with water, add ground coffee or espresso to the filter basket, and set the pot on your gas or electric stovetop. As it heats, pressure gently pushes water through the grounds and collects the brewed coffee in the upper chamber. Once the flow completes, you remove it from heat and pour. With a 6-cup capacity, it's a convenient size for sharing or making multiple small servings at once. It's also a great option when you want a stronger cup than drip coffee without buying pods or maintaining a full espresso machine. Number 3, we have the GROSCHE Milano Moka Pot. If you want to brew a bold Italian-style mocha coffee at home without dealing with a bulky espresso machine, the GROSCHE Milano Moka Pot gives you a simple, reliable way to make rich stovetop espresso-style coffee. This 12-cup size holds about 23.6 fluid ounces, making it a great choice when you're serving family, guests, or you just want enough strong coffee for multiple drinks. You can use it on most gas and electric stovetops, including propane camping stoves, which makes it handy at home or on trips. It's not designed for induction cooktops, and on glass-top stoves it can heat more slowly since the aluminum body isn't magnetic. Still, once it's up to temperature, it produces a deep, concentrated brew that works well on its own, or as a base for milk drinks. The Milano is made from food-grade anodized aluminum, keeping it lightweight and easy to handle while still built for regular use. Brewing is straightforward. Add water to the bottom chamber, fill the basket with ground coffee, and heat it until the coffee finishes flowing into the top chamber. When you want cafe-style drinks, you can add frothed or steamed milk to turn your mocha coffee into lattes or cappuccinos. A premium silicone gasket helps create a tight seal, which supports consistent brewing and helps you get that strong aromatic cup you're looking for without complicated settings or expensive pods. At number 2, Easyworkz Diego Stovetop Moka Pot. If you want a mocha pot that feels sturdy, looks polished, and works on nearly any stovetop, the Easyworkz Diego Stovetop Moka Pot is designed to fit right into your daily coffee routine. It's made from stainless steel with a mirror-finished surface and strong resistance to rust and corrosion, so you can brew often without worrying about it wearing down over time. The base is heavy-gauge magnetic stainless steel, which helps it perform reliably on induction cooktops while still being compatible with gas stoves and electric burners. That flexibility is a big advantage if your kitchen setup changes or you simply want one coffee maker that works everywhere. Comfort matters when you're handling hot metal, and this pot is built with a heat-resistant, hollow insulated lid and a secure handle grip. You can pour with more confidence and less awkwardness, even right after brewing. Capacity is another highlight. With 520 milliliters, you can brew up to 12 espresso cups, making it a great choice when you want multiple servings or prefer stronger cafe-style coffee that holds up in milk drinks. For a richer, more aromatic cup, you can start with around 40 grams of finely ground coffee and adjust from there to match your taste. Cleanup stays simple too. The pot disassembles easily and it's dishwasher safe, so keeping it ready for the next brew is refreshingly low effort. And finally, the number 1 of our list, Bialetti Moka Express Moka Pot. If you want a simple, satisfying way to brew strong stovetop coffee, the Bialetti Moka Express makes the process easy to learn and repeat. You don't need complicated settings or capsules, just water, ground coffee, and a few minutes on the stove. To brew, start by filling the bottom chamber with water up to the safety valve. That valve line matters because it helps keep pressure at the right level during brewing. Next, add your ground coffee to the filter basket and level it gently, but don't press or tamp it down. Then screw the top and bottom together firmly, place the mocha pot on your stovetop, and heat it on a medium setting. As the water warms, it pushes up through the coffee and into the upper chamber. When you hear the signature gurgling sound, turn off the heat. This is your cue that brewing is finishing and your coffee is ready. Pour right away for the best flavor and temperature. Choosing the right size also helps you enjoy the mocha pot more. Moka Express sizes are measured in espresso cups, not large American mugs, so the 12-cup model is great when you want to serve multiple people or fill bigger containers. Smaller sizes work better for 1 or 2 servings, so you can match the pot to your daily routine and avoid making more coffee than you'll actually drink. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which mocha pot you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.